Here are some of the newest profitable print-on-demand niches. Just a quick reminder, make sure that you're always double checking for trademarks and copyright. This is very, very important if you want to succeed with your print-on-demand business. I'm gonna go ahead and announce 2 winners for the $50 giveaway. So each person's going to get $25 each. All right, first winner is going to be Elvis Gonzalez. Thank you for leaving a comment on the YouTube video. If you're watching this, please reach out to me and I will be sending you your $25 for participating. All right, and there was another way to win the giveaway too as well. Click that first link that I pinned in the comments right there. It'll take you another part of the giveaway where you can follow me over on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Watch the video to enter a chance to win the giveaway. And the winner of that one was Iceman. Okay, so I sent you an email, Iceman. Please reach back out to me and I will go ahead and send you your cash prize. Thank you very much. Let's go ahead and do another $50 giveaway. All I'm asking is for you to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. All right, the first niche idea is going to be July 4th set me free. Juneteenth is my Independence Day. So basically it's like Juneteenth and July 4th, like a cross niche, right? And making a statement about Juneteenth, about that being the Independence Day instead of July 4th. When it comes to anything like this is a design. Juneteenth is my Independence Day. That is a design in itself, right? So if you can think of different ideas by cross-niching both of these together, it would be a good idea because in June is coming up, right? Juneteenth is coming up and then July 4th is coming up. So you can see the traffic, like the organic traffic that would be pushed on this niche itself. And then if we come down here, you can see all-time sales. It made a sale for the very first time in June. But looks of it, right? It seems to starting to get a little bit of a trend in making more sales than ever this year. And it was uploaded 22/2. So within that, that first month of being uploaded, it made a sale. And then it ended up making another sale. But now it's like going into Juneteenth and going into June, with all that traffic and the ranking. This can be a design that you want an eye out on. Next niche idea is going to be last day of school. So think of like slang words that students and teachers are using. Now it's bro, we out, and it's teachers, right? It says teachers. So like bro, brah, whatever, however you want to say it, right? That's probably like one of the trending sayings right now, like slang words that teachers and students are using. Students are using them, teachers, see that, students are using them, so they're starting to use them too. So to see your favorite teacher wear a shirt that you say, like a saying that you say every day in school, right? The kids are with the teachers Monday through Friday, right? Now, if you see your favorite teacher wearing a shirt, like, come on, like that's cool, right? So think of something like this, any type of slang word that you can possibly put on a t-shirt for the last day of school, which would be really, really awesome because something like this, I feel like this is like more of like a all year round for school. Even, when the first day of school, last day of school, and then throughout the whole year, I feel like this type of design, this type of saying is going to make sales all year long. So if we come down here and look at the BSR chart, it sold May 10th, right? And it's May 17th right now. But look at it, it's cranking, making sales, and it's like a top seller right now. And then if we come down, you can see May 8th, this month, the BSR is 40K. Amazing, right? Same thing with this one too. Bye, bro. Happy last day. Now this hashtag, I would search this hashtag on all social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever your favorite, Twitter, wherever your favorite social media platform is, or just even doing research, Pinterest, and see what type of designs people are, wearing on their shirts for happy last day of school or just last day of school. So that's a lot that can be done here. Very simple text-based design, nothing too crazy. And if we come down right here, and it's made its first sale this month on the 4th, but look at it, it's trending, it's going down, and it's making sales. It's turning into a top seller, right? Which is really, really awesome. It was uploaded this month within 16 days. This bad boy is turning into top seller and making sales. 40K BSR. Next niche idea. This is my pride flag. Now, going into June, it's Pride Month, right? So I can see how this can be a top selling design, and they're using the American flag as an example. Now, you can probably do different types of flags with this. And I think different types of flags will work really well with this design, but this is a simple text-based design with the American flag on it. Really simple. This is my pride flag. And if we come down, we take a look at the BSR. It sold last month, April 21st for the first time, but now it's going, by looking at the BSR, it's going down, 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 right? And it's turning into a consistent seller. Uploaded last month on the 15th. Now the BSR rank is 238. I can see this being a consistent seller and selling all year long, which is something that we look for as print-on-demand sellers. So this can be an evergreen niche that's going to consistently sell all year long. All right, next niche idea would be high jump. Anything with outdoor activities right now. Anything you could possibly think of, from swimming to hiking to, hanging out at the beach, anything along those lines, it's going to be a good seller right now. And this means it can make a sell, every other day or once a week or twice every week, right? But if you have, 100 designs doing that, everything adds up, which is really, really awesome. And now this design right here, it's, that retro style, the silhouette, doing that guy's doing the high jump. Women and men, I can feel like you put the silhouette, if you put like hair on, like make it look like a girl, this will be a really good design idea too as well. And you can literally just switch that, and then you have another top selling design in this niche, right? Just get over it. If we come down, let's check out the BSR. You can see that it's consistently selling and it's ranking, and there's a little no sales right here, no sales right here, but then boom, it's starting to make sales. And if we come down, we can see that it was uploaded 2021. BSR right now, 949K. All right, this is going to be my monthly spreadsheet that I use every single month. When you get this, obviously this is going to be blank, but I have a few videos back there that's going to show you how to exactly use this. As I'm doing my research, my goal is to get all my research done in like one day out of the week. So let's say if it's a Monday, right? I want to get all my research done for the whole week. That way I can focus on either getting the designs up or doing keyword research and stuff like that. Because I don't want to spend, all month doing research when it can only take me just one day to do it. You can see so you have everything filled out, from the niche ideas, the sayings, design layout, or the inspiration picks, kind of give my designers an idea of how to, design for a certain niche, or what people, or what's the demand for in this niche, or what type of design is it, or what type of funny graphic. Is it a funny graphic? Is it a silly graphic? Is it a serious graphic? You know what I mean? As far as the illustration on the t-shirt. And this is the workflow that I use for my personal team, and this can be a workflow that you can use for yourself. And remember, if you want to grow your business to the next level, it's very important that you have a workflow that you hold yourself accountable by and get to work on. You can see that for this month right here, I have about 25 niches. You can work on 25 niches for the month. You can work on 15 niches for the month, or 10 niches for the month, just to give you an idea. And this is one of the most important things. I'm going to say this again. If you want to take your business to your next level, you have to have a worksheet. A worksheet, a workflow, a spreadsheet, okay, exactly like this. And this is how you hold yourself accountable, by paying attention to this. If you research 10 niches and you go back and they're not done, that's your fault. So I'm going to have this down below. The link is going to be in the description. So it's a one-time fee of $10, and it's down there. And I have a few videos back there showing you all the information and going over all that fun stuff. All right. One thing that got my attention on social media, being on social media, looking at my stories and just paying attention to my feed, I've seen a lot of my friends going to Hawaii, and I was like, oh yeah, this is interesting, because it's just right now's the time. It seems like, the sun's out, everyone wants to go hang out in Hawaii, go to the beach over there, hang out, or just go check out the island. So this is aloha. You got, that retro style effect, silhouette with some palm trees and a surfboard. This is a very, very simple design, right? Nothing too crazy at all. And, it's obviously, simple sales, right? So if we come down here, you go over here to all time, look at this thing. So it goes up and then it drops down. It seems like, look, see right here, last year, you could see it trend down. And seems like it was like the lowest BSR ever around this time, but it's going up again. But now it's trending down, right? And this is a consistent seller. This is amazing right here. And if you look at it, 93K BSR uploaded in 2021, which is crazy, because it's just, think about it, like having this type of design like this, that's making sales consistently, is amazing, right? For print-on-demand sellers. But nothing too crazy about this design, but just pay attention and see what people are doing as far as like going on vacation and stuff like that. Same thing. This is my Hawaiian shirt. This is my Hawaiian shirt with the cool glasses, kind of that retro theme style. You got the palm trees and the sunglasses, which is really cool. And you can see a lot of boys and men wearing this shirt. You can see women wearing it too. Really cool shirt. Good idea. Just think of funny sayings that you can apply to, you know, being in Hawaii, or, you know, just thinking of, you know, tropical beaches, palm trees, surfboards, coconuts, stuff like that. You know, there's a lot can be done. And then we come over here and look at the BSR. You can see that, you know, right now, look at that, just cranking all the way down. You know, that's something that I look for when it comes to, you know, seeing if a niche is something to get into, if it's something that I want to get into. May 11th, 22.2, and the BSR right now is 48K. Boom. Push it. All right, next niche idea is going to be me and Karma vibe like that. So funny, sarcastic vibe, saying with that groovy, you got that groovy like text font, like a little flower in there. There's always that little flower in there too. So pay attention to that type of stuff on a white t-shirt. And if you can think of anything, someone that's saying something sarcastic to you in your life right now, you have a friend that's saying a funny saying, this would be perfect. You know, just think of stuff like that. If you can create a saying that's not on Amazon that you think will be a hit, it's a good idea to do it right now, because a lot of people are buying stuff like this, and you can turn them into top sellers, because that's just the thing right now. It's in mental health, cute, funny sayings, sarcastic sayings, anything like that. That's the in thing right now. It's in right now. And this right here was uploaded. Well, it made its first sale last month on the 12th, but then as you go in right here, this month, it starts to crank even more, make even more sales, right? It was uploaded December 6, 2022, so towards the end of last year, but you know, it took about 5 months, 6 months, and then all of a sudden, it's bam, cranking, making sales, which is really, really awesome to see. So that's right there with this type of design. You can see it's a cool design, right? But you can see that, you know, you get the inspiration, get the idea, and see what you can create. And it's not saying to recreate the same exact design and put a different color or all white text. It's saying to come up with your own idea and create a design that no one has on Amazon and put that damn thing on a t-shirt or a product on Amazon and make sales. That's what I'm saying. New niche idea. I would like you to think about what teachers and students are doing when they get out of school. So when school's over, last day of school, are they going on vacation? Are they going to teach summer school? Are they going to summer school? Think about that. This can be a whole different niche, right? Or are they going to some type of an event, right? Or with the family. And the crazy thing is like we started the video off with thinking about, you know, different niche ideas, and then you start to go down this rabbit hole. So this is how powerful niche research is, because you can learn so much and you can use that to your advantage to make awesome designs in different niches. And if you're struggling with niche ideas, check out this video right here.